Are you using Facebook every single day? Scrolling through endless posts, watching funny reels, liking pictures, and sharing memes? But still not earning a single penny from it? Think about it. Every hour you spend on Facebook is helping someone else earn money, but not you. What if I tell you that you can start earning real money from the same Facebook app? Not by selling anything, but simply by creating content. Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, I'll explain how Facebook pays creators, who can earn, and most importantly, how you can start today, right now, from your own phone. Facebook is no longer just a social media app where people post selfies or comment on their friends' photos. It has now transformed into a full creator platform, just like YouTube and Instagram. It rewards people who create and share their own original content, whether it's short reels, longer videos, or engaging posts. If you can make people stop scrolling and watch your videos, Facebook will start placing ads on your content and share that ad revenue with you. That means the more people watch, like, and share your videos, the more money you can earn. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how exactly do I earn? There are three major ways to earn from Facebook. The first is Facebook page monetization. When your page becomes eligible, Facebook will start showing in-stream ads, short ads, before, during, or after your videos. Every time people watch those ads, you earn a share of the revenue. Simple as that. More views, more ads, more income. The second is the Facebook Reels bonus program. You already love watching Reels, right? But did you know you can actually get paid for making them? If your Reels get high views and engagement, Facebook rewards you with bonuses, sometimes even hundreds of dollars per month just for your short videos. The key is to make creative, original, and consistent content that keeps viewers engaged. And the third is affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Once your page starts growing, brands will notice you. They might offer you deals to promote their products or sponsor your content. You can earn a commission on each sale or get paid per post just by recommending something to your audience. Many creators earn thousands of dollars this way, combining sponsorships with Facebook's own ad revenue. Now that you know the ways to earn, let's talk about how to start. It's easier than you think. First, create a Facebook page, not your personal profile. Go to Facebook, click on Create Page, add your name, category, and a short description. Upload a nice profile picture and cover photo. Make it look professional. This is your digital shop where you'll build your brand. Second, turn on Professional mode. This unlocks powerful creator tools, insights, and analytics. With Professional mode, you can track your video performance, engagement, and earnings, just like YouTube Studio. It's your control center as a creator. Third, start posting your own original videos and reels. Don't copy other people's content. Facebook only rewards originality. Post consistently. Even one video a day can make a huge difference. Talk about topics you love: comedy, motivation, travel, tech, food, or lifestyle. Anything that connects with people. The more authentic you are, the faster you'll grow. To unlock monetization, your page must have at least 10,000 followers, 500,000 views in the last 60 days, and your content must follow Facebook's community guidelines and monetization policies. Once you meet these conditions, you'll see a green check mark on your dashboard that says "Eligible for Monetization." That's the moment your content officially starts earning you money. When it's time to receive your earnings, Facebook pays you through the Meta payout system. You can connect your bank account or PayPal, and once your earnings cross the payout threshold, the money is automatically transferred every month. You can track everything on the creator dashboard: your performance, views, engagement, and income all in one place. So just imagine this. You're already spending hours scrolling on Facebook every day. What if even a small part of that time went into creating content instead of consuming it? You could be building your brand, growing your audience, and earning real money from the same app you've been using for free all these years. So stop scrolling and start creating today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. because in the next episode, I'll show you step by step how to create your Facebook page, set up professional mode, and prepare your first monetized video. See you in the next video, and until then, keep creating, keep growing, and keep earning.